Rajimul. Today I will show you how to set up Shopify tax and duties. If you want to set up Shopify tax and duties, first log in your store. When log in your store, then you can see this page. For tax and duty setup, you need to go settings, find the option, click settings and scroll down. Then you can see a option tax and duties. Click tax and duties. When click tax and duties, then you can see this page. Then scroll down or click shipping zone. This loaded. You can see an a option global setting. Then if you want, you can include sell tax, price, shipping rate, and you can charge sales tax on shipping, charge VAT on shipping, etc. Then you click save. This is a tax and duties setup for your Shopify store. This is basic setup. If you want to many advanced setup, you contact a Shopify expert or contact for me. You can find a option my video description, contact email. If you need to tax and duty setup help, contact my email. I will help you on my best. Thank you so much watching this video.